Assalamu alaikum class 3. I'm your teacher. My name is Asma. Okay बच्चे. Today is 17th March 2021 and day is Wednesday. Yesterday we have started a new chapter of Essential English, unit number 4, Grace and Family. We have done reading, explanation, vocabulary words and one exercise on book. And today we will be doing question answers of this chapter on your Essential English notebooks. So everyone open up your Essential English copies, write down date and day, write down the name of the unit, answer the following questions. Okay, now come to question number 1. What did Grace like? Answer is Grace liked stories about fathers. Question number 2. Why did she like stories about fathers? Answer is she liked stories about fathers as she missed her father who lives in Africa. Question number 3. What sort of a person Nana was? Answer is Nana was kind and caring person. Okay, now come to question number 4. Question number 4 is what did Nana mean when she said families are what you make them? Answer is she meant that different people have different family members. These are the 4 questions and you will be doing them in your Essential English notebooks. Please make sure class के आप date and day properly mention करो, ठीक है? For example, these 4 questions comes to 2 pages, ठीक है? So you will mention date and day on both of the pages, but you will write down name of the unit on the first page, ठीक है? You people know this thing very well. Okay, do this work properly and send the pictures. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.